friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. Well, I'm here for another Rain Country subscriber collaboration, and what this is any of my followers that want to submit photos that go into the topic can send those into my email, and then I compile everything together into basically a slideshow in a video. And so today it's about dehydrating. If you're interested in seeing any of the other collaborations we've done, I have a full playlist. We have one that's a craft collaboration, we have a fermenting collaboration, we have a garden collaboration, and more. So I'll be linking to that full playlist in the description box down below. By the way, here's a couple. I just already have these out, so I figure I'll show them. So here's a couple of examples. I've got some dried camellia flowers and dried nettle from my garden. So in the slideshow, you'll be seeing a lot of great examples of that. So I hope you enjoyed the show, and here we go. that's it for the dehydrating collaboration. And unless I come up with another theme for collaboration, we're going to continue this on starting over with the craft collaboration down the road. So be watching for updates on that, which you will see in the Monday this and that videos. So stay tuned into those videos, because that way you'll know when I'm ready to start taking new submissions and what the next topic's going to be. All right, well, thanks everyone for being a part of this, and thanks all you for watching. Take care and God bless.